Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to a beautiful, calm, still kind of dark. The sun is just breaking out of the horizon there, and wow, it's amazing. It feels good to be back out here. Every time when I go to talk, there's an airplane. Look at that. But anyways, today we are looking for some perch. Brother and I, we were out here recently, and surprisingly, we caught perch. We weren't targeting them, but we found them. My goal is to find them again. So not much talking. I got some live minnows, got some Gopro, and hopefully we can figure this thing out. So stick around, and I'll see you guys. We're already on the water. Let's do this. All right, so it's still pretty, make sure my lens are clean here. Still pretty dark out. I mean, not really. I got my light poles and stuff up, but it's around 7 o'clock. Sunrise is around 7:30, so we have time to set up a little bit, though the bite is pretty much like right now, but it's okay. We're gonna fish, cast around a little bit so we can figure something out. Do I know what's going on? Nope. I did a little short intro there. The lighting's terrible because I'm using my phone, and phone quality is not that great. I'm still waiting for my new camera, so please be patient with that, guys. I know my intros are very not high quality as usual, okay? Not like how it should be, and hopefully we can get my camera soon. But as of for now, we're gonna rig up, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the very first cast here. Just rig up at the tail, the back fin, I guess. That make any sense? It's only like 4 feet, so I'll get the other minnows back in there. We'll just get this guy out there. This one, definitely gonna be throwing Wolf River rig, because that's how Danny was catching them last time. That was so weird. Like, who the heck catches perch on Wolf River rig in 4 feet of water? So random. Since it's not that deep, we're gonna go with just a half ounce. We gotta use up these Gopro before they go bad. Oh, dude, my bobber went down. No, it's just a minnow probably. Oh, no, it's down. Oh, it's popped off. Dude, my bobber went down. What? Legit, my bobber went down. All right, let's do that again. My bobber disappeared, dude. So right now it's floating, right? The minnow's there, but I guarantee you guys, I'm not joking, it went down fast. So something grabbed it. I mean, just look at the scenery. I think this is the reason why I wake up every morning, just to see this. The sun, the light, just everything, you know? It's amazing. Oh, so they hit it, Got him. Oh no, he popped off. No, I had him. What? How? Dude, look at all those teeth mark. Man, just had him. There's fish in here. And he let it go. What? Got him. We got him. What is it? Oh, it's a perch. Yeah. Dude, nice. What we were looking for right here. Yes. It's not that big, so we're gonna let him go. I mean, he's still a good pan fryer. But let me see if you guys can see it. That right there, guys, is a perch. Alright. Catch one of those. Yes. I wasn't crazy. I was not crazy, guys. Oh, it's going. Got him. Got another one. Oh, it's a little perch. Yes. Man. Dude, that's so freaking cool. Nice. Minnow's still good. Oh, jeez. Alright, chill. Look how fat it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there you go. Beautiful perch. Okay, let's go. Oh, I got a fish. Yes. Dude, something swallowed it. And it's a bigger perch. Yeah, this guy will keep. Oh, okay. Oh my god, you inhaled it, alright. Oh no, I'll probably get it. Let's see. On the bottom, it's a minnow. I got the minnow. Yep, I got the hook out. I'm gonna keep this guy because it's pretty much a goner. Just fine. For fish fry anyways. I was so busy watching the bobber, I forgot about the bottom rig one. Oh, no, that's just the waves. I don't know what that means. Oh, this one is running, dude. Oh my god, that's a bigger fish. Oh, it's a giant perch. Oh my god, stay down, please stay down. That's a giant perch. Wow. Oh my gosh. Dude, heck yeah, man. That's a tank. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about right here. These are the one I want. Holy smoke. Yep, hooked right by the tongue too. Yes. I saw that line go. Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. It's a beautiful perch. See that? Amazing. Wow. I got snatched. Yes. Nice little walleye. Yeah. Too small to keep, so I'm gonna let him go. Another one. It's a drum. Okay. Got a little action going on here. It's good. I'm getting robbed, guys. There's fish here. I can feel him strike it. There we go. Get yourself a white bass. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Relax. Got a white bass. I guess we'll keep them. Just add on to the meal here. Right on the climb here. It's 20 feet here, but it's shallow right there. As soon as they hit that ledge, they're on it. Oh, we got one right. Oh, we got a crappie, dude. Let's go. Oh, jeez. What the heck? That's so random. Alright, chill. Got us a mixed fish fry here. Let's start the big well. Just messing around bottom jigging. I'm catching fish. So random. Yeah, I think this guy's done. So what I'm doing is I'm using this 1/4 ounce jig head, green, tip with the minnow, and I am basically pitching it under this bridge or this cover and structure. I'm just letting it sink to the bottom, just hopping it back to the boat. Once I get back to the boat, just vertical jig with the current. Little walleye. Dude, you freaking crushed it. Jeez. Hit it so hard. Small dude. Well, it looks like the other side of the bridge is occupied, so we're gonna go and sit out on the flat out there again and see what happens. Running out of option here, running out of time. I gotta be back around noon, so I'm gonna go sit out there for like, I don't know, I'm gonna try to sit out there for an hour. If it doesn't work out, then I'll just head home. I think that's it for today. Let's just say, like, I don't want to keep them, but I would feel kind of bad if I don't keep them. Does that make any sense? Because I got myself a nice white bass, a crappie, a dead perch, which I caught earlier, and a big perch. So it only makes sense to like keep them and turn them into a fish fry. Because if I release these three, then what the heck am I gonna do with that guy? You know, I can't just eat that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep them. Get this paper out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and keep them and just fry them whole, basically. Maybe the white bass I'll fillet, but these guys right here, maybe next time if I catch a few more, I'll show you guys how I cook them. But I just deep fry the whole thing. So yeah. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I wish I had more time, but I don't have time. It's just the reality of it. I gotta go home. So, but overall, we caught fish. We learned something new. Found a hole right by the main bridge over there and caught a few walleyes, drum, and a white bass. Yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.